Hey everyone, this is Eric back again with Auto Replay Man, and give you a little quick update. I am selling this 2004 Mercedes SLK. So this is actually on Craigslist right now listed. Anyway, so I had this guy actually text me on Craigslist saying that, you know, he'll send me a check, man. So I'm like, okay, yeah, send it to me, man, whatever, you know what I mean? I'm like, yeah, what's your name? You know, I'm getting no response, whatever. I could probably try to even call the number back here, probably won't pick up. So anyway, you know, he actually sends this envelope with a check. Let me show you this thing. So first of all, look at this. It says postage due $7.95. So you know this is a prepaid label, whatever. I could probably look up and actually see where this came from. It says it came from Lakewood, California. Like from here, like this is what the actual, you know, label is for, but the postage is due of $7.95. Okay, so they're bad enough not even pay the postage for it. Okay, so I guess they at least bought the envelope and mailed a check. But man, you gotta check this out. Let me go. Look at this. Look at this. It says Green Sapphire Hospitality LLC, Embassy Suites, Boca Raton, which Boca Raton's in Florida. I mean, maybe they do have one that's based off of Boca, but I could probably look this up and see if there's any a place like this in New York. But then it says BB&T Bank, and like this looks fake, man. They went and gave it to me for $2,680.26. And I'm gonna look up this actual the micker here and to see if this even actually goes to the actual real bank or not, you know. Because what I found out is that what people do, they will actually, because I've seen this happen before. I used to sell cars online before, and people will do, it's like when a bank closes and let's say they're cleaning out or whatever, they actually get a real check from a closed bank, and then they'll put their information on it. So basically it'd be like a blank check from a bank that closed, went out of business, whatever, and they'll put the information on it, and then they'll send it to you. Hey man, you know, I buy the car, whatever, and I'll pay for the delivery and the shipping. You just deposit, man. Just deposit your bank account, and then it's all good. And you know what happens is usually by the time you put in your bank account, and by the time the bank figures out it's fake, then they want you to transfer the rest of the money to pay the shipper, and then your car is gone, and then the money is gone, and you're without a car, and that's how they scam you. So it just looks fake to me. I mean, they didn't even pay the postage. I mean, how bad can you be? I mean, really? You know what I mean? Postage due. But I'm gonna do some research and see what's going on with this. I looked up the tracking number that is on this package, man, and this shows when it was delivered to me, and just show you like where it actually came from, dude. It came from this Judson, Arizona, which is not even the actual, you know, this is saying it came from Lakewood, and that's why postage was due at $7.95, because somebody dropped it off. I guess by the time they realized where it was going, that, you know, it's actually postage due, you know. So let's look up this micker on the bank account and see how fake it is. So if you want, you could basically just put in that tracking number into Google and it'll pop up. So that's how I found it. But I went to the American Banking Association right here. I'll show you this website, and my kids are playing. And basically this website is routingnumber.aba.com, and basically log in, and I actually put in the routing number, which is a 06111 3415, and it does actually pull up Branch Bacon and Trust Company, which looks like it may be BB&T Bank. So it looks like they actually have the right routing number. But then this got this Green Sapphire Hospitality, which I looked that up, and you know, that's actually this is where it gets interesting. It's an active company that's been around for about 2 years, right? But check this out. It has a registered, this is the director, right? This guy. And it's got this registered agent that's actually here in Tallahassee, Florida, which is really interesting. That, you know what I mean, that somebody is going through all this, you know what I mean, from California to New York to mail me a check, and they actually got a registered agent in Tallahassee. But why the hell you didn't call me and bring me the goddamn check yourself, you know? So I got to go to the bank anyway to close another account, and I think I'm gonna take this check in there just to see, let them do some research, see if, how real it may be, you know what I mean? Then we'll go from there. So stay tuned. There may be a part 2 to this fake check. Like, share, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.